Oke, we're back in part 2. Oke, kita masih mendiskusikan nih bagaimana ya. So,
Tadi namanya siapa?
Yeah, what's
Yeah.
the name of the
Nama
apprentice?
apprentice-nya.
my name is William.
William.
Where's your uncle, William?
William.
He's dead.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
okay.
Okay,
Condolences.
Kayak
Deeply sorry for that, William.
Does that mean his patrons are like free or something?
Um, yeah.
Bro, Muhammad.
well, I mean that's important. That's a good idea.
No, not now.
That's good.
Not now.
That's
Not
good.
now. Not
Yeah,
now.
Well, no, no.
It's
Oh,
just
yeah,
the
no.
uncle.
That's I'm sorry. That's
Or kata
yeah.
si
We can talk about that later.
kata si Ravengard, or you can simply climb down because I saw the chains are pretty big.
Yeah, that's what I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
look very strong, do we?
Yeah.
Well,
I
climbing down
mean, have you tried to climb it down, sir?
requires dexterity.
But
Oh,
flying
it's
is
on the
cooler,
jump.
you know.
Let's get on the jump.
Flying is cooler, you know.
I rather
Flying
jump.
I
through-
mean, I feel
agree
like
with that.
I feel
fly
like both
through
have risk.
hell.
If we climb, maybe we can be a bit more stealthier, like a bit stealthier compared to if we fly. On the other hand, if
Yeah.
we fall down from the chain, then there is no safety measure in any way. I don't know.
Well, Gordon, you said that you can make our fall slower.
Yeah, at least if we are, if you're using the hell glider, at least if we fall, like we fall with style.
Face?
Well,
Well, I haven't tried.
I have a question though. Do we need to control this glider?
It would seem so.
Yeah.
Why not?
My worry is that what if we get separated?
I mean, that's a good concern.
Oh yeah,
But flying.
but flying.
Let's put rope between the glider and we can glide safely together. Hey,
That might work.
or somebody can do that to the others.
Yeah.
I don't
so
know. Can we at least see the glider first and see
Yeah,
if
can
it's
we?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Um,
Let's go.
yeah,
let's
yeah.
go.
I can take you there. Dia bilang dari High Hall.
Counted as a short rest.
Si Ravengard bilang, if you want, you can just spend one more night here and get
One more
yourself
night?
get
That's-
ready before you go down to Avernus.
we definitely need to spend the night. I
Yeah.
think otherwise
Course.
we're fucked.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oke.
Yep.
Oke, so di sini sekali lagi mereka semua menganggap kalian adalah hero dan mereka akan membantu kalian sebisa mungkin. So ada makanan, ada minuman lengkap dan apapun yang kalian butuhkan mereka masih punya supply yang saat ini. Kalian mau ngapain? This is a long rest by the way.
Yay.
Yeah. I guess we can rest up so I can
Understand-
Can we check
understand the
first?
glider better.
Yeah, the glider before
But
sleeping.
yeah.
Oke,
Yeah.
oke. Jadi kalian mau keluar ke High Hall lagi ya?
Oh,
Okay.
it's outside.
Ya.
Oh,
Cek dulu.
high hall.
Ya, jadi
this is
dari
high hall. Okay.
High Hall ke bawah mapnya.
Southern.
Ya, jadi ada di situ ada
Southern
kayak
of High
cliff
Hall.
gitu. Ada kayak cliff dan nih gue bawa ke sini. Ntar. So
Does
kalian
that
kan
perfect
di sini kan?
As a short rest.
over there.
Di sini. Ya.
Udah
Di
short
bawah
test kan
sini
tadi?
juga.
Iya kan, Mas?
Ya, jadi sekalian sudah gue anggap short rest karena kan tadi ngobrol sama si itu udah cukup lama ya.
nice.
Yeah. I already
So-
I store my
Oh, short
hit
rest.
point. Spell slot soalnya.
Ya, so kalian jalan menuju ke workshopnya si orang ini ya. Gitu kan ya?
Aha.
Oke. So kalian jalan dan kebetulan jaraknya dekat karena memang orang ini cari tebing untuk eksperimen terbangnya dia. Jadi lokasinya itu ada di sini tadi ya, di sini. Oke. So kalian sampai ke sebuah rumah yang agak besar, ada kayak garasinya, kayak hangar gitu, dan kondisinya tertutup. Tapi kalian bisa ngebuka gitu nggak masalah, kebuka. Dan kalian lihat di dalamnya ada satu device yang udah jadi, bentuknya kurang lebih kayak gini.
Whoa. Hellglider.
Cool! I want to
Yeah.
glide it! I want it! I want it! I want it!
Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
I know.
No,
Right?
no, no
Style.
climbing. No climbing.
Ya,
no, no walking on chains.
Let's
Yeah.
go down in style!
ya.
Let's go down.
Dan
Oh, we fall
tapi
in style, baby.
tapi
Well,
I don't
masalahnya
think that's
But what if
that's
we
what we
climb
think.
while wearing this?
And
It will be
is it
very
possible?
encumbered, right? And it will be very
iya,
heavy.
Probably it's very heavy.
yeah,
iya,
it seems pretty awkward to walk around with that thing.
iya.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
If we fall, we
just
fall
jump
with
down.
style.
So you think no, hang on, Fornin,
Yep.
do you think we can you can make more? Because if you cannot, then there's no point of us debating this.
I can try. Yeah, I can try.
How long would it take to make
Hmm?
4 more?
Yeah.
5 more?
Ya,
Wow.
mungkin akan
5? 4, right? 4
Yeah.
more.
5?
Sorry, 4?
Wait,
Kita
Udah
coba
ada
lima.
satu kan? Udah ada satu.
Is Duke Ravengard coming? Your Honor, are you coming?
Yes,
With the Duke and Rhea.
Dulu.
si
Rhea.
Rhea, Rhea won't come,
si
right?
Rhea, Duke ada di High Hall. Mereka nggak ikut sama
Oh,
kalian
mereka
sekarang.
di-
Ah,
I think probably Rhea will stay at High Halls.
yeah,
but
we already
the
told
Duke-
Rhea to. We already told Rhea to
Yeah.
stay, protect her people, right?
Mhm. But the
I don't know
Duke,
about Duke though.
why do I have a feeling that he won't come?
Why?
I have
Yeah.
that he will come.
Can we like?
Well,
ask
anyway.
him- Can we like
So
ask
how
him
long-
to stay in
how
the
long-
high
yeah.
hall?
How
Wait,
long
let's
is it for you to make another?
Yeah. How long is it?
Roll a kira-kira apa yang diperlukan untuk saat lo membaca? Jadi di bengkelnya itu, Fornin, gini deh, please roll investigation check dulu untuk mencari-cari di bengkelnya ada materialsnya apa enggak, ada instructionsnya lengkap atau enggak. Roll investigation check.
Oh my lord.
Oh, that boleh di help atau nggak, Mas?
Boleh banget.
Oh,
Udah.
nice.
Help. I'm so
For-
on board on this plan.
So
I
for-
help.
Oh, yes. So Fornin,
I'm so-
dengan keahlian lo dengan barang-barang mekanik gini, lo lihat-lihat di garasinya, lo menemukan satu blueprint tebel gitu, gulungan-gulungan, dan lo juga ngelihat beberapa material scattered. Tapi pas lo lihat ke blueprintnya, lo cukup yakin semua materialnya lengkap untuk membuat semua yang kalian butuhin. Berarti kalian butuh berapa ya? Butuh 5?
Kan ada satu
Iya,
yang udah
lima.
jadi ya.
Oke, ada satu udah jadi ya. Berarti butuh
Kalau nggak 4, 5.
kalau nggak
4
4,
or 5.
4, 5,
4 or
tergantung
5,
Ravengard itu
Depends,
atau
depends.
enggak.
on
Ravengard.
ya.
Yeah. Let's make 5.
Can I send message to
Just to
Ravengard
make
from
sure.
here, man?
Yeah, let's make 5 just in case.
Oke. So lo mau nge-send message ke Ravengard?
Message to Ravengard.
Go ahead.
Can I? Duke Ravengard, are you? This is our door. Are you like willing join us down to Avernus? You can answer this message. Just reply in your head.
Dia bilang,
Yes.
the thing is, my job here in Elturel is not done. I'm going to try to rescue the citizens of Elturel. So
he's staying.
yeah,
Oh, great.
me, Rhea,
Well,
and the other Hell Riders are going to scout the city and find survivors. Begitu kata.
Okay, so Duke Ravengard is not will not join us down
Okay.
to our descent into Avernus.
See,
So
he
that's-
won't jump. He won't come.
Four then. Okay, 4.
If
So
he
many
doesn't
people.
come, why?
I can do that. I can try.
So
about
if he
Lulu?
doesn't come,
Her own
is
device.
he going to stay in the high
Right,
hall?
right?
Lulu can fly. No problem.
Berarti Ado tadi kasih tahu kita nggak sih Ravengard mau nyari survivor dan segala macam.
Yeah, I relay the information to the party. So
Thank you.
he's staying here with Rhea too.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Yep.
So we need to make another force for Nin.
Ya. So menurut Fornin dengan investigation 27, Fornin yakin ini bisa beberapa jam aja sih selesai.
Mantap.
Iya.
It will take
Karena-
several hours.
instruksinya jelas banget dan materialsnya semuanya lengkap to the tiniest details. Tapi tergantung Fornin ngerollnya gimana untuk craftingnya.
I'll help. I'll help out.
I will
I'm good
I-
with my hand.
inspire. I will inspire for.
I can give guidance too.
I will inspire for
Definitely
Nin.
gonna pretend.
Spend the night
For
here.
You can do it.
Yeah, I think we should spend the night here, Jindrash.
Spend the night here.
In the workshop.
Jump.
Oh, if you okay, I'll start preparing tiny hut.
Oke, jadi
Throw
kalian
the pearls.
kalian akan spend long rest kalian di sini. Setelah itu sambil Fornin dan Kara crafting ya.
Terus mereka crafting, gue di belakang mainin lagu back sound gitu buat mereka kerja.
Oke. Ada yang
Inspire.
ada yang jaga-jaga,
Lofi gitu ya.
ada yang jaga-jaga.
Oh iya.
Yeah,
Watchers,
okay,
watchers.
I'll take watch.
Watch,
I'll
oke.
take watch.
I'll take watch with Jinras.
Ya. So, sekali lagi di Elturel, di Avernus nggak ada siang, nggak ada malam. Jadi ini nggak jelas jam berapa. Pokoknya selalu sama, mendung, petir-petir, dan gempa sesekali. So, let's start crafting. Gitu ya.
Crafting.
Oke. So,
Fail me when
Are inspired.
ya, nih
Inspired.
gua jadi karena Kara ngebantuin, tapi you know what? I'm gonna have both of you roll. So, let's roll.
What do I
Ada apa
roll?
aja sih ceknya tuh?
Sleight of hand?
Can I?
Oh iya
can
benar,
I use-
sleight of hand ya.
Can I use Tinker's tool since we
Yeah, I
are?
think so.
Yeah,
Maybe.
thinkers too.
It's
Yep.
tinkering, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
exactly yes.
Because we're tinkering.
Ya,
I
betul.
don't have tinkering tool, but
pakai tips
gue
dulu.
pengen bantuinnya kayak lebih kayak like
Mandor.
That
what
range.
what
That range
he
for
need
me.
and involve kind of like
Mandir itu, ambil itu.
Oke.
hand nimbleness.
Ya,
hand
ya, ya.
nimbleness.
Saya butuh
Right.
kunci 11. Tolong ambilin.
Oh iya mas.
Kalau
Di
gitu
belakang
gini,
lagi main.
kalau gitu gini. Ini kalau ini di dalam bukunya sih ada improvised equipment ya, ini masuknya. Jadi ada beberapa cek yang mesti dilakukan. So, kita mulai crafting device yang pertama ya. Oke, so untuk hal ini I need Fornin to make a dex check with the appropriate tool proficiency. Toolsnya itu ya, si tinkering tool ya berarti ya.
You get expertise
Yeah.
on this, right, Lo?
Iya.
Because
Okay.
you're an artificer.
So, first device, go ahead and make the roll.
Dex check.
Dex check, tinkering
tool.
tools. Dex
Oh,
check.
boy.
11.
Oke,
Oh, no.
sekarang Kara.
Inspire?
Oke, go ahead.
Bentar. Inspire.
Inspire.
Come on. 15.
Oke, nice. So lo krek teng gitu. Kara, tugas lo adalah roll perception check to check spots any flaws in construction.
It's flawless.
Oke, let me take note of that.
It's perfect.
Flawless.
It's perfect.
Everywhere.
Oke,
Morning,
let's
you're
me
very good
take
at this.
a note.
There's no flaw whatsoever. I
Okay,
see nothing
Thanks.
but
First
perfectness,
device.
perfection.
First device.
Do you want to write this one?
Okay,
I'll write that one.
second device.
Boleh
Roll
di-inspire lagi nggak?
the tools.
Kan
Boleh.
gue sambil masih main Lofi back sound.
Oke, go ahead.
Lo-fi back
Masih
sound.
dimain masih
Yes.
di belakang. Ya.
18.
18, nice. Tapi kalau lo mau tambahin inspirationnya boleh. Siapa
But it's
tahu
alright.
kan.
As
I will
well.
save it. Yeah, I will save
Oke, you save it. Oke. Kara, roll your perception check.
Ah,
DC is 25.
Nice. Second device.
Oh, gue guided juga ya? Am I guided?
Gua
enggak.
sama Ardor lagi lihat-lihat.
Oke.
Yeah.
Now, third device. Go ahead, Fornin.
Third.
Lagian nggak bisa lo. I was in the tiny hut juga. Nggak bisa
Ooh,
keluar.
that one is
yeah.
perfect.
Oh,
this,
yeah.
this one's mine.
this one.
Wah.
Oke, Kara, please roll perception check.
16.
Nice. Oke. The last device.
Last one.
Yes.
It's good.
It's good. Okay. Kara,
Perception again?
perception.
Like a pancake, lo. Yang pertama pasti jelek.
If you want.
Yeah, yang
It's like a
first one
pancake.
is-
Oke,
Yeah.
so
yang pertama percobaan itu.
Masih coba.
Always look
Do
bad.
it, we
Yeah.
make one more.
Always look bad ya.
jadi setelah kira-kira 3 atau 4 jam, 4 jam kali ya, 4 jam Fornin dan Kara krek crafting the device sesuai dengan blueprint dan kalian sekarang beristirahat. Istirahat dulu kan? Long rest dulu kan? Ya.
Yeah.
Oke.
Oh, ya.
Kalian long rest di sini dan kalian sekarang sudah punya 5 berarti flying device. Jadi ada yang udah jadi, that's device 0, ada device 1, device 2, device 3, device 4. Silakan kalian membagikan device itu.
I'll
You
use
wanna make me take the
device.
first one?
So
I'll take
device
the zero
0, device 1, device 2, device 3, device 4.
Vornin, can you check the 0 one?
Oh yeah, we
check
haven't checked that.
Yeah.
I guess I will check the first one.
The
Oke.
0.
Kalau gitu Fornin perception check.
I'll give you guidance.
Oke.
Berarti tadi itu bikinnya setelah long rest apa sebelum long rest?
Sebelum long rest, sebelum long
Sebelum long
rest.
rest kan?
Sebelum
Oke.
16,
Plus guidance, so 17.
17. Oke, jadi lo lihat-lihat itunya dan lo menemukan ada flaw di situ. And you
Oh
can
no.
and you can try to fix it using your Tinker's tool.
Okay, I'll
Oh,
give another guidance to
Hold
Vornin.
on. This one has some, some flaw.
Chips.
Let me fix it real quick.
Oh no.
Yeah, you got guidance.
Whoa!
You don't need
Yeah.
guidance.
So,
Yeah, that's
ya,
26.
ya lo
26.
cukup yakin flow-nya udah lo benerin, gitu ya. Oke,
So, do you mind I take this one? Vornin?
The one.
Yeah, the
this
zero one, the zero one,
the
yeah.
zero one? Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Well then, why don't
Okay.
you use the first one?
I will use the third one.
oke.
You used the first one, it was perfect. I checked it.
The Mastercraft.
Okay.
Yeah, you can use the first one.
Yeah, sure. I'll take the first one.
No, is it Kara or Jindras? Kara.
I
Is
can
it-
take the first one.
Let-
Jindras, you want
let-
the first one?
No, Jindras,
I
please
haven't
don't.
used anything.
I take the last one then, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I put some red and some flaming patterns to make it go fast.
Oh my
Okay.
god, that's you an orc.
Oke. Oke, jadi yang device 0 Ardor, device 1 Jinras, device 2 siapa? Verity berarti.
I
gue
feel
yang
bad.
terakhir.
I'll take
Gue
the first one.
Gue yang di
Jindras.
value
Oh
main.
gitu. Oke,
I'll take the first one.
Kara is device 1. Oke. Device 2?
Jindras.
Device 2 Jinras, oke.
Yeah.
Device 3 Fornin and device 4 Verity.
Mastercrafted.
Mastercraft Fornin, oke.
Of course.
Yeah.
Got it.
Of course.
Mastercraft
Oke.
plus one
So
to hit.
you spend the night here, bukan night sih, tapi lo long rest di sini, so go ahead. Dan kita fast forward. Enggak, sebelum fast forward tidur dong kalian pastinya, ya nggak sih?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes.
Oke.
Yes, sir.
So this is the
Who's going to get
time
the dream? Who's going
to
to
get
get the
the
dream?
dream.
Oh, no.
Oke,
Oh, no.
so saat kalian tidur terlelap setelah capek banget crafting benda-benda ini, Ardor.
Oh shit.
So
I'm going to
Ardor,
mute myself now.
Same, same.
Ardor, lo mendengar ada suara yang membangunkan lo. Ardor, Ardor, wake up.
I wake up
You
from my
wake up?
dreams.
Dan lo lihat di sekeliling lo gelap hitam, pitch black. Dan sosok yang lo dengar itu adalah suara Galadia. Can you describe to us how Galadia appearance?
He is very tall, rambutnya tuh panjang pirang gitu, with a wings in the back di punggungnya dia. Bajunya tuh lebih kayak loose, baju kayak toga gitu aja. And very tall, very mukanya tuh apa ya, kayak kebapaan gitu mukanya.
Okay. Yeah. You see Galadia right in front of you.
Oh, really? It's been a
Ardor.
while.
Yes. You did the right thing in following my guidance and going to Avernus to do this task that is a burden upon your shoulders, kata Galadia gitu. But Ardor, this is not going to be an easy one. Terus ketika si Galadia ngomong gitu, dari yang tadinya Galadia di depan lo, dia kayak tiba-tiba jadi jauh gitu. Sekarang posisinya agak jauh dan lo menemukan lo berada di tengah-tengah peperangan antara demons sama devils. Tapi demons sama devils-nya semua kayak mematung gitu. Ada yang lagi gini, ada yang lagi ketusuk, pokoknya mematung tapi banyak banget. Gitu kan. Ardor, I am fearful that you may not succeed, but you have to push forward, kata si Galadia gitu.
I will. I will do my best to accomplish what you've been given to me.
Very good. Lo lihat di sekeliling lo, demon sama devils mematung, tidak bergerak. Tapi saat lo lihat lagi, demon sama devils-nya, tiba-tiba matanya ngelirik ke lo semua. Matanya ngelirik ke lo, gitu ngeliatin lo.
Okay.
Dan mereka mulai nengok ke lo semua. Ini ada ribuan devils dan ribuan demons yang lagi perang, dan semuanya ngeliat ke lo, tertuju ke lo. Dan the next scene adalah lo ngerasa semua demon sama devils-nya lari ke arah lo, gitu. Is there anything you wanna do?
I'll activate my radiant soul, so
Okay.
I'll change into my Azimar form, into an angelic form,
Uh-huh.
and pull Heaven's Wall,
Uh-huh.
and kayak trying to concentrate on Heaven's Wall,
Uh-huh.
and cast Guiding Bolt to the nearest
Okay.
demon or devils that approach me.
Go ahead and roll your attack. Ini banyak ya, ribuan. Iya. Jadi lo mungkin karena lo panik, ada ribuan dik gitu ke arah lo semua. Lo cast Guiding Bolt dan to no success. Mereka tetap ke lo. Ada lagi yang mau lo lakuin sebelum mereka mencapai posisi lo?
I'll fly upward because
Okay.
I can fly.
Terus the next scene lo fly ke atas gitu ya, oke? Dan ketika lo ke atas, tiba-tiba jrek, lo kayak ketahan gitu di tangan lo, kiri kanan sama di kaki lo itu rantai, rantainya infernal gitu, narik lo ke bawah. Oke, roll strength saving throw.
Strength saving throw, let's go. 8.
Ya lo,
Very on brand.
terus lo langsung ketarik ke kiri sama ke kanan. Terus Galadia dari jauh, Ardor, hang on, don't give up, kata si Galadia. Oke? Tapi strength save lo segini, lo ngerasa tangan sama kaki lo ketarik ke kanan sama ke kiri antara devil sama demon. Mereka narik lo gitu. Terus lo bisa denger kayak mine, this is mine gitu. Dan lo,
Galadia help!
Ardor, you can help yourself. Don't give up. Use your strength, kata si Galadia. Oke, roll another strength saving throw.
Not my 7, jeez.
Oke, so Ardor, slowly but surely, lo ngerasa badan lo mulai sobek. Di sebelah kiri, sebelah kanan, tangan lo mulai ketarik. Dan kaki lo juga mulai. Dan lo ngelihat badan lo kebelah. Muka lo juga kebelah. Dan Ardor lo kebelah jadi dua. Yang kanan devil, yang kiri demon. And you wake up from your dream.
Oh my. I look at my arms, my hands. Oh, what is that dream? Why? Gladia, you must guide me through all of this so I can accomplish this.
Roll religion check.
Oh my god. Religion, let's go. 14. Can I guidance myself, Mas?
Yes, sure.
So 18.
18. Lo masih punya inspiration gak sih?
I think I still have it. Masih ditandain sih.
Masih ada, oh ya dah.
Aha.
Ya dah. Okay, so there was a dream. So ini fast forward to the next day, di mana kalian sudah bangun dari long rest kalian. What do you guys want to
We
do?
wake up.
Oh. Oh.
And you find Duke Ravengard udah sampai di situ.
Oh, this.
Duke Ravengard sama Rhea nyampe di tempat kalian. So,
Oh.
did you manage to build the... Wow, sudah ngelihat hasil crafting
Wow,
kalian.
indeed.
Yeah.
Impressive.
We have our master crafter here. Forney
You see
is
the-
our master crafter. He's so good. He's so good.
You see the flames. It's gonna make it fast.
Oh, yes. Terus lo ngelihat
Really? That's what the flame is for?
terus
Yes.
si Ravengard,
It's camouflage, guys. It's camouflage.
ya. Ravengard bilang,
Okay.
"My neck still hurts. I don't know what caused my neck."
Yeah.
Yeah, probably from using the helm too much, you know.
Do you sleep
Mhm,
well?
Yeah,
You were
okay.
in a very awkward position when we found you. Maybe that's why.
So,
Yeah.
This
um,
position.
okay. I guess this is the time where do you really want to do this?
Well, who else will
Well,
do this then?
You bet we do, of course. Ooh.
I
I
mean,
meant this thing.
we feel like going with the glider and going with the chain is of the same risk. I don't know.
Yeah, but going with the glider is more cool. You know, going with
Well, it's not
style.
important.
Yeah,
I-
we will soar through Avernus. I hope.
I mean, it's cool, right? Right? Everything will be all right. Probably. I
Well,
don't know.
I believe if we're flying would be faster to go down
Mhm.
there, but
Yeah,
there's a
falling is
chance.
faster, obviously.
We
It's
all
not. Is it falling, Murnin? It's not falling, right? It's like gliding, right?
Yeah, gliding. It's gliding.
glide down.
Slowly falling.
You can control it.
Yeah, do we all know how to control it?
Yeah, do we know?
And do we know
Well-
how to let it? How to
Is
let
there
it?
a map?
How do we
manual
control this thing?
Ya, di manualnya ada kurang lebih cara kontrolnya. Jadi masing-masing dari kalian kurang lebih tahu cara mengendalikan.
Oh,
Theoretically,
Theoretically.
I will
kalian
give you a quick rundown.
oke. Jadi saya kemarin langsung tidur kita dikuliahin dulu cara pakainya. Ini itu.
Gua briefingin dulu satu-satu.
Cara
Terus-
pakai begini.
Si
Press this to learn.
Duke Ravengard dengan sosok pemimpin, dia tuh sosok pemimpin banget kan. Jadi presence-nya dia aja tuh bikin kalian kayak hormat sama si Ravengard gitu loh. Karena dia gagah banget dan segala macam. Dan dia kayak memberikan pidato terakhirnya untuk melepas kepergian kalian. Again, you are very brave in taking this mission. The whole world is counting on you. And if you can save Elturel, you will save the rest of the world, and we will thank you. If we make it out alive from here, I'm sure to provide you with sufficient reward. For now, me and the rest of the Hellriders will try to do our best to rescue the survivors of Elturel.
Just be careful
Can
with
I
that
ask?
medium.
Can I ask for a favor?
Yes.
If you perhaps find some people from a merchant ship called they weren't from Elturel, but they're like a ship crew. The tiefling woman, half-orc woman, that kind of looks like me, the tiefling. Can you perhaps save them?
I will keep that in mind. If I find them, then yes, of course, I will do my best to make sure that they are safe.
Oh yeah, I actually want to ask the same thing as well. There's a man. I was about to try to find him in the city, but I guess I won't have the time. So if you find a man, a human called Alamros, terus gue bikin apa namanya minor illusion mukanya dia.
I know Elamros, of course.
You know?
Yes,
You know him?
he is well known.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh. Well. Anyway, if you find him, please, I don't know, save him.
I will.
Okay.
Terus si Rhea nyamperin kalian satu-satu, terus bilang, I guess this is goodbye again, kata Rhea. Thank you for everything. Terus dia meluk masing-masing dari kalian. Again. Saying goodbye and saying thank you. Thank you so much.
I hug her.
Yeah. Terus dia bilang, I hope the next time we see each other, it will be in a different circumstances.
Oh.
Okay.
BTW, Mas,
Ya.
I forget. Boleh nggak kemarin sebelum gue tidur, I want to write something, maybe like a letter.
Yeah.
Put it on the envelope. Basically, I was just writing a letter for my mentors, saying I'm sorry for everything.
Okay.
And then I will find Raya and just say, hey, Raya,
Yes,
can I ask for a favor?
of course, Verity. Anything.
So, if you find Elamros, my mentor, can you give him this?
Okay.
Just in case I don't come back, you know.
Don't say that, Verity. I know
Well,
you will come back, and you will
Yeah,
give
but-
this yourself.
I hope so, but man, I regret I didn't say this when I have the chance. So please give it.
Okay.
Please, okay.
Oke. So dia taruh di dalam tasnya dia.
Okay. I hug her again.
So dia peluk lo juga.
Right.
Thank you, Verity. Please be
Thank
safe.
you. Yeah. You too. Please don't be racist. Terus gue keluar lagi.
Ya. Oke.
Time
So
to fly, people.
time to fly. Oke. So
Fuck.
jadi
Positions,
kalian mulai meletakkan diri kalian di posisi masing-masing.
This is exciting.
Menggunakan glidernya. Kalian lihat di bawah, everybody roll perception check.
Oh god.
Perception.
Perception?
You guys remember the instruction, right?
Yeah.
15.
Good.
Loh, kenapa gue dapat
Yeah,
satu?
I'm still distressed.
Anyway,
This is
Yeah.
I'm too excited.
Ya.
this is cool.
So 1, 2, 3. Ya, most of you succeed in the perception. So kalian bisa lihat di bawah tuh peperangannya masih terjadi. It's I think it's 500 feet down. Peperangannya
Oh,
terjadi
God.
segala
500
macam.
We're going to die.
Ya.
Okay.
Dan kalian
It's
bisa
gonna be
ngerasain
killing.
anginnya gede yang gitu, dan juga ada api menjilat-jilat gitu. It's gonna be a rough flight indeed. So kalian sudah siap ya untuk
Oh wait. Before we fly, do we know which direction we are flying?
yes. So
Lulu
no.
know.
Lu tahu?
ya, Lulu
Oh, iya,
Lulu
Lulu
udah ngasih lihat satu arah dari posisinya kalian. Kalian bisa lihat ada
my God.
tempat Lulu bilang namanya Fort Knucklebone.
Oke. Kita jadi mau itu nggak, tadi katanya mau tai nggak usah biar nggak kepisah-pisah. Nggak kan?
Everybody
Jadi apa?
fail.
Don't try yourself. No.
Mas kira-kira kalau from the apa namanya from the what's the name? Kan kita udah belajar manual.
Ya.
Do we know?
That's not how the science work, Verdi.
Well,
I mean
I'm
kalau kita udah
learning.
baca, kita bisa ngegerakin, bukan like are you like asking for advantage right now?
Enggak.
No, tie the glide together.
No.
No,
Oh,
don't
do
try
that.
the
That
glad.
would be
No,
bad.
that would be
That
very
would be bad.
bad. That would be
Yeah.
very bad.
Ya.
It's our demise.
Maybe when we get out of this
We're
place,
all gonna die.
we can test that,
Yeah.
you know, but not now.
Oke, so you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
The dragon
Okay.
meant to fly.
So
Information.
you jump in 5, 4,
Oh, fuck.
3, 2, 1. Boom. Ya, ini scene-nya bener-bener dramatic nih.
No.
And yes,
This is
amazingly. So amazingly,
This is-
alatnya bekerja, tapi again this is a glider, bukan terbang tapi gliding. So
Yeah,
you are falling down tapi in a controlled manner gitu ya. Gitu.
It works.
Ya, dan kalian
Kalau
melihat
dikatakan tuh muka kita udah pada dulu.
gitu ya. Yes. Kalian gliding dan kalian bisa melihat Elturel semakin jauh dan semakin jauh. Gue ada handout yang keren sih gambarnya Elturel ntar ya.
Aduh, mata
Mana
perih,
ya?
mata perih.
Mata perih.
Iya, sebentar. Ini ada nih handout. Jadi tampilannya kalau dari saat lo gliding, tampilannya kayak gini. Jadi tuh yang di rantai itu Elturel tuh.
Wow.
Yang atas itu.
Oh.
Nah, ini yang bawah itu River Styx.
Sick.
Oh.
Dan yang atas itu yang apa sih namanya? Yang matahari yang jadi gelap itu loh.
The
The
companion. Right?
companion.
The Companion.
Companion.
Yes. Jadi kalian gliding gitu. Dan untuk glidingnya itu, let's see. Kalian mencoba untuk controlling ke arah Fort Knucklebone. So I need an ability check untuk ya. Let's see.
Remember your training, boys.
Dex based, please.
So first I need
Athletics.
to roll. Let's do acrobatics
Oh my god.
for the
Mas,
first
I guided
roll.
myself.
Yeah, you can. Of
Inspired-
course you can.
inspired.
Yeah. Of course you
Can
can.
I get
Guidance Jin Rush.
I just touched Jin.
Oh yeah, we're flying. I forgot about that.
I will try to intimidate the glider.
So that's
super
Raven Guard.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
And ya ini kurang lebih handout yang juga mesti gue
I'm
kasih kalian juga. So di tengah api-api kalian terjun. Ada handout apa lagi ya?
That's cool.
Yep, that's cool indeed.
Ooh, that's cool.
Ini buku yang dibawa-bawa sama si Feria.
Tadi tuh gue mau nanya, sebenarnya kita bakal ability check gak, cuma terlalu meta, nggak jadi gue tanya.
Ya. Oke, so 19, 15, 5, 13, 20.
Jin Rush, no.
Jin Rush naik yang kedua ya tadi ya.
Tunggu, lo gak naik yang pertama kan?
Oh, bukan pertama.
So most of you bisa gliding ke arah yang sama.
I'm fucking
Ke arah yang
heavy.
sama ya. Oke, yang di depan Fornin berarti ya, karena Fornin yang tahu ya kan. So
Yeah.
Fornin roll a d20.
Oh
I
no.
lit the formation.
We're getting attacked, boys.
18.
18 ya. So ketika lo gliding, lo lihat ada peperangan di bawah, lo lihat ada demons, ada devils dan Ardor, lo ngelihat very similar yang lo lihat semalam di mimpi lo sama pemandangan di bawah. Dan mereka tuh sibuk banget sampai mereka tidak notice kalian flying above. Ada yang saling bunuh-bunuhan di bawah, pokoknya udah rusuh banget, mereka nggak notice kalian saking sibuknya. So let's roll the second acrobatics check.
Oh no.
Oh
Oh
god.
no.
Guidance.
Oh wow.
Teeth.
15.
Oh, 22.
Yep. Yep.
Oh no, Ardor.
Oh, Ardor.
Okay.
5.
Ya, 5. Ya. So ini
No, I have a plan kok. I have a plan.
Yeah,
Tenang aja. If
Okay.
something bad happens.
Yeah, you have
He can fly. He
emergency
can fly.
wings.
He
Don't
can
worry.
I
fly.
have
He
emergency.
can fly.
I have emergency plan.
Yeah.
So
Barrel roll, barrel roll.
iya.
Barrel roll.
Ya, so ya ini actually sama Jinras tadi ya, 5 ya. Ya.
How far we are, Mas? Dari
That's
dari
true,
posisi
that's
kita
true.
sekarang sampai ke
Ya,
bawah.
mungkin tadi kan the first 100 feet ya kan. Sekarang the second 100 feet, so masih 300 feet lagi.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Actually.
It's okay. Jinras sama Ardor, lo ngerasa device lo kayak ada baut yang copot atau ada apa kayak ngerasa agak aneh gitu rasanya. So tapi untungnya Ardor tadi alat yang ke berapa tadi Ardor?
Yang 0.
Oh iya, oke. Ardor
Oh,
0.
udah
Jinras
di-upgrade,
dua,
udah
oke.
Udah beneran.
Nice,
Udah
nice.
dibenerin.
Okay, that's good.
It's always the user who's at
Fornin,
fault.
Warnin, please roll D20.
D20.
Oh boy.
300 feet, yeah, it's enough for me.
Ya.
Oh, it's
Okay.
enough for you to.
Yeah.
Kalian masih gliding. That's good. Let's roll another. Let's roll another acrobatics check.
Oh no.
Okay, acrobatics. Oh my
Oh
god.
no.
What's wrong with you guys?
13.
No,
Oh
it's okay, it's
no.
okay, it's okay. If something bad,
I'm slowly losing
I
control
can
here.
fight. I can fight. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry.
no worry, no worry.
Oke.
No worries.
Ardor, pegangan lo ada yang kayak copot gitu.
Oh my god.
You can try to fix it, Ardor.
I can mending.
You have
Or
mending?
can I just... I have mending.
Okay, you can use mending actually.
Okay, I
Oh,
guess
nice.
mending
Okay.
on the fly.
Yes, so you cast mending while flying, and then suddenly the handle balik lagi gitu. Okay, that's
Thank
good.
God, I have that one.
Okay,
Oh
what
god,
happened
I
to you?
should.
Ada nama pasnya?
Lo cuma mendengar alat lo bunyian jig 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 gitu aja berarti.
Oh no, this is not good. This is not good.
Fornin, please roll D20 lagi.
It's a transmutation.
Ya, if it's
Oh,
19, no, it's okay. Sebetulnya
It's
ya,
okay.
gue tadi mikirnya 19 or 20 ada apa namanya, ada sesuatu.
Alright, right.
19 and 20, so it's pretty high. It's okay. So lo masih aman. Go ahead and roll again. I think this is gonna
Oh,
be the last
Is
dexterity check.
this device
last one?
supposed to make sounds?
7. Oh, acrobatic, sorry.
Acrobatics.
Malah roll
Oh my god, again, jeez.
Jesus.
Oh,
Yeah.
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 I'm slowly losing control over this thing.
See, I
Sorry,
told you the first device is perfect. I checked it.
Oh my god.
Okay, so this is what gonna happen. Karena itu the first device nomor 1 ya, tapi you've been rolling pretty good. So device lo aman, device lo nggak ada masalah. Jinras juga tadi baru sekali ya lo ngeroll kecil ya. So kayaknya lo masih nggak ada masalah, lo masih rolling. Ardor however, Fornin juga baru sekali ya ngeroll agak kecil ya.
Baru sekali.
Oke. Verity rolling pretty good, but Ardor, lo udah coba mending di alat lo, masih aja tuh alat agak bermasalah. Jadi even though the device itu lumayan, cuman somehow cara lo handle-nya tuh nggak bisa mulus gitu loh. Mungkin karena lo nggak familiar sama benda-benda kayak gini ya. So again, sayapnya ada yang robek.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
Dan
How
saat
far we are right now, Mas?
you are 50 feet above ground.
Oh, we're close.
When this happens, jadi ketika lo udah hampir landing, alat lo rusak Ardor, so you are going to fall.
I cast understep.
Okay, what is that?
It's basically kayak Misty Step gitu mas.
Oke,
But
Misty Step.
300 feet, but 300 feet sorry. Oh itu sorry.
Gak ada orang sekitar lu.
Iya nggak ada orang sekitar gua kok.
My glider, no! I just saw it.
Okay.
It got destroyed.
Yeah.
So basically I can teleport to 300 feet.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh no, 90 feet. I can teleport to
Yeah.
90 feet.
Oke. Nice. Jadi
Suaranya
Oh,
300
no.
feet.
Yeah, but the
Oh, no,
sound
you-
will be very
Anyway.
yeah,
Very loud.
will be very
It's
loud.
loud here anyway.
Yeah, it's loud here anyway.
So, yang terjadi adalah kalian semua bisa mendaratnya nggak terlalu mulus. So, I'm going to roll bludgeoning damage buat kalian semua karena mendaratnya nggak mulus. Except,
Really?
tapi cuman
24?
enggak, tapi cuman kecil. Bludgeoning damage-nya cuman kayak 10 feet tuh D6 ya,
Oh no, my
Yeah.
3-point landing.
D6 ya.
3-point landing.
Point
Oke.
landing.
So,
Roll 24 though.
Ardo, kalau gue mikir deh gini ya, kalau Thunder Step ini kan lo kan teleport, tapi ada inersia nggak sih?
It's like Misty
Probably.
Step gitu sih mas.
Probably ya.
Jadi kan lo kan
It's up to you.
Misty Step dalam keadaan lo lagi berjalan kencang kan?
Yes. Ada
Yeah.
momentum.
Again,
Ada-
I mean, if
cuma-
only 1d6 it's okay. It's only 1d6.
Ada whip, tetap ada whiplash-nya gitu ya.
Ya. Oke, so jadi scene-nya adalah begitu Ardor ngerasain sayapnya ada yang patah, Ardor kayak blam gitu kan, terus dia langsung ke tanah duluan, tapi tetap keguling-guling. So I'm gonna roll d6 for Ardor. Ini Ardor dulu ya. So this is bludgeoning damage upon landing for Ardor,
Ouch.
and this is bludgeoning damage for the first device, which is Kara ya. Kara ya.
Kara, ya.
Oke, Kara, this is you.
my 3-point landing.
And
And 3-point damage. Eh.
3
Verity,
point damage ya.
3-point damage. Eh.
this is Verity.
Nice.
Me?
Ya.
Alright. Try.
And this is Vornin.
3?
Lihat nih, gue dapetnya 6 nih, lihat nih.
And this is Jinrush.
Oh,
Tuh kan?
Salah.
lu mas.
Belum. Salah pencet.
Oh, enggak dua.
Suara.
Ya.
14.
Yes. So ini kalau di film ini scene-nya keren banget sih. Gublak.
Kalau misalnya gue gak thunderstep gue kena berapa?
50 ya berarti 5 kali D6.
Kali.
5
Yeah.
Wow,
5 kali D6.
Yeah, that's deadly.
Yes, better.
Oh my god.
Ya.
It was so cool.
Yeah.
Rambutnya Verity berantakan semua
Ardo.
dari kemana-mana.
Ardor, I told you the only device I didn't check is the thing that failed. The first one is perfect. I had no problem. Told
Yeah,
everyone.
it's more about my piloting. It's
Yeah,
gone.
yeah.
The device is gone, right? The device is destroyed.
It's an error.
So the device is not supposed to make sound when you glide,
it
no?
doesn't.
No.
It does not.
Oh my god.
Oke.
What do you do to it? Do you like pilot it like properly?
I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Can you check? Maybe next time. But hey, we made it! Yay!
Terus
Yeah,
si Lulu teriak,
at least we made it.
"Don't chat now, we got company." Everybody roll perception.
Oh, shit.
Perception check.
Perception.
Perception check, please.
All of us?
Oh.
All
Yeah,
of,
we make
all
a
of
lot
you.
of noise.
Oh,
Oh.
I
Oh my
see.
god, I'm really rolling
Everyone
very
said
low.
12.
Jadi
we are.
Masih hayo, masih baru-baru
Masih
mendarat,
perih
Pak.
matanya.
Masih perih. Masih perih, Pak. Masih
Jadi
perih.
waktu kalian mendarat itu kan tanahnya
Jet lag, Pak, jet lag.
Avernus tuh kayak dust gitu ya, red dust. Pokoknya Mad Max aja. Jadi debunya tuh
Yeah, Mad Max.
debunya tuh ini banget gitu loh. Debunya tuh tebel banget. Jadi kalian nggak terlalu ngeliat. Tapi Ardor ngeliat sih. Lo ngeliat dari jauh. Coming towards you, there's about 11 spine devils flying
boy.
towards you.
Oh
Incoming.
boy.
Can I hide? Can I hide
Can
on
we
the
hide?
sand?
There's a
Is
lot.
there any place to hide?
And it's
Is there any
very
place
high.
to hide?
Iya,
Is
jadi
there a place?
tempatnya tuh kayak bukit-bukit, ada sesekali ada kayak duri-duri yang keluar, ada kayak ruins gitu. Kalau lo mau coba
I'm-
untuk
Yeah.
Ya.
Mas, bisa nggak misalnya gini apa gue pakai mineral lotion bikin sekitar gue kayak terselubungi kayak ada batu-batu
Only
gede gitu
5
nggak?
feet though. It's only 5 feet
Oh.
though.
It, yeah,
Okay.
it's small.
Five feet-
Minor illusion
five
is
feet like-
small.
5.
Yeah,
It's
my
like 5
illusion is
feet
only
is like
5 feet. Yeah.
1,5 meter ke 1,5 meter kan?
Yeah, only
Kalau
one
kita-
cube, right?
Kalau kita semua pada nempel-nempel pet-petan, bisa nggak?
I'm
Pasti
big.
beli.
Kan banyak terrain juga kan di situ.
Iya,
Iya.
terrain. Iya, jadi dia bukan kayak flat gitu, banyak
Oh,
hilly,
iya,
ya, banyak duri-duri segala macam.
I mean, I'm red. The
I'm
sun is
Ah,
red.
that's actually
Can I
cool.
hide?
Okay. So
That's right.
you can all attempt to hide. Go ahead.
With disadvantage because fuck me.
Disadvantage.
This is not depending on
Um,
being quiet, because I get advantage with my boots.
14.
4.
Mas Indra,
Ya, gimana?
kira-kira gue dapat advantage dari boots of Elvenkind-nya nggak?
Of course, yes.
Oke.
Okay. Mhm.
18.
18, nice. So most of you roll pretty well. Fornin tuh 10 ya?
10 ya.
Oke, Jinras 4. Jinras 4. Oke. 14, 16. Tapi majority of you roll pretty well. So ketika lo menemukan tempat untuk bersembunyi di balik batu gede, ada yang bersembunyi di balik ada kayak duri yang gede banget ke atas gitu, ada tembok ruins. Dan lo lihat ada 11 Spine Devil mengarah ke lo. But they are intercepted by a huge demon. Ditonjok
Wow.
gitu. Dan Spine Devil langsung kocar-kacir gitu. Gitu, dan mereka langsung perhatiannya jadi berbalik ke arah demonnya, dan mereka nyerang demonnya instead of going towards you. So you can continue your journey now.
Okay,
Yeah,
maybe
let's
yeah,
get
we
out
should
of
be
here.
quiet.
Let's
We should be quiet.
What the?
Lulu point the way. Lulu point the
Okay,
way.
let's go. Dia nunjukin jalan dan
Yeah,
kalian jalan.
quickly.
Okay, you need to roll one more thing though before you reach Fort.
Okay.
So who is going to lead the party?
I'll be in the front.
Okay, so Kara, I need you to roll 2d4s.
2d4s.
2d4. Kalau angkanya match, lo nyasar.
Oh my god.
Oh, kayak gitu.
Oh wait, because we're number no sih.
That's fun.
Ya, nice. Ya, jadi peraturannya kalau di Avernus itu kalau lo ke tempat yang lo belum pernah kunjungin, lo ngeroll 2d4. Kalau angkanya match, lo nyasar ke tempat lain. Kalau tempatnya lo udah pernah,
Oh.
lo ngeroll 2d8. Kalau tempatnya lo udah hafal banget, lo ngeroll kalau nggak salah 2d10. Pokoknya kemungkinan untuk nyasar makin kecil gitu.
Higher chance-nya.
Ya.
gitu
Oh,
ya.
karena pindah-pindah gitu ya.
Yes.
Because the landscape is changing.
Yeah.
Yes. So, kalian berjalan di tengah Avernus di mana rasanya sangat nggak enak di sini ya. Gue harus gambarin sih ke lo saat lo turun ke bawah Avernus.
Feels like home.
Feels
Hot.
like home.
Very hot here.
Yeah, so this is actually chapter 3.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah, welcome to chapter 3. Welcome to Avernus. You are officially
Finally.
in Avernus
Officially here.
now.
We descended into Avernus.
Yeah, we
finally.
decided into
Yeah,
Avernus.
descend to
Maaf.
Avernus.
Literally descending into Avernus.
Yeah, we literally descend to Avernus.
Yep. Okay, so you are now in Avernus. So let me change the chapter now to chapter 3. So gua akan bawa lo ke mapnya Avernus kalau gitu ya. Tapi
Oh,
again,
no.
map ini sangat tidak akurat, tapi ya you get the you get the feeling.
Yeah,
lah ya.
we make do, Mas.
Ya.
Approximation.
We make do with what we have.
Oke.
Where the hell are we? Where the hell are we?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Where the hell are we?
That's
Exactly.
that's the thing. Jadi di dalam petanya tidak ada
Yeah,
Elturel kan? Dan
Yeah.
tidak ada Fort Knucklebone.
Yeah.
So you have no idea where you are. You have absolutely no idea where you are.
Can we see back like where Ertugrul is?
Yes.
And-
Above.
Kayak
Above, right.
compare like to Ertugrul where we are and then
Yes.
the surrounding area.
Yes.
You're looking for the North Star.
Ya. Roll
Is there such thing here?
perception check. Apa sorry?
Perception?
Ya, perception check. Apa tadi?
I'll guidance sekarang.
Oh, okay. Sorry,
Wow.
masih nyala.
So,
Masih
16.
nyala 16 plus a D4,
Yeah, I guess guidance.
so 19.
Oke. Lo mencoba membanding-bandingkan area sekitar lo gitu ya. Kayaknya kalau gitu lo bisa lihat sih jelas Elturelnya masih jelas, companionnya masih jelas, dan lo masih lihat debu peperangan di kejauhan sana. However, karena ini sifatnya mencari arah gitu ya, mencari tempat referensi lo di mana gitu kan. So, let's have you roll survival check.
Can I also guidance sekarang, Mas?
Yes, you may.
That's not very good.
So you get guidance.
Survival. Hang on.
Hmm.
Oh, 18.
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. So maybe you are roughly here, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Roughly here. Karena lo melihat, ya, karena lo melihat apa ya? Mungkin ada semacam tower-tower ini kali ya yang lo lihat ya.
Okay.
Tapi so you think you're there. You think you're there.
Okay, we think we're there. Okay,
Yeah.
at least something.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, we are here.
That's Arkham.
Okay.
Wow.
So now you are in Avernus, guided by Lulu the Hollyphant, menuju ke Fort Knucklebone. Oke, gua harus gambarin ke kalian sih Avernus tuh kayak apa ya. So this is the atmosphere reeks of brimstone and burning tar, and hot gusts of wind shriek across the hellscape to scour the land below. Sometimes these winds swirl into immense sandstorms, which can strip flesh from bone and plunge everything into darkness. Ya, selama kalian jalan juga ada hell wasp. Lo ngelihat ada wasp gede banget, wasp raksasa lewat gitu.
Wow.
Tapi mereka tidak mengindahkan kalian. Sama lo juga ngelihat sturge, banyak sturge. Tapi ya, sturge kayak lewat. Jadi bener-bener landscape itu ngeselin banget ya. Dan oke, saat kalian berjalan, please tell me in what fashion kalian menuju ke Fort Knucklebone. Diam-diam kah atau lari kah atau gimana nih?
Diam-diam.
Yeah, stealthily, yeah.
Yeah, sure, like that will help me.
As much stealth as we can.
Oke, jadi kalian jalan pelan-pelan ya. So you will have advantage on the perception check dan segala macam. Oke. Terus juga apalagi yang bisa gue kasih tahu ke kalian ya. Oh ya. So ketika kalian berjalan, udah mulai terlihat di depan sana ada sebuah bukit yang dipagerin sama dari jauh sih bentuknya yang belum terlalu jelas ya. Tapi tuh kayaknya kayak tumpukan-tumpukan junk gitu loh. Dipagerin sama tumpukan-tumpukan junk. Dan di tengah bukitnya ada kayak bukit batu bentuknya kayak tangan gini, knuckle. Terus si Lulu bilang, "That's Fort Knucklebone. Let's go."
Well,
Oh,
obviously.
Oke.
wow, how do you know?
Saat kalian berjalan, tiba-tiba kaki lo nginjek kayak lumpur gitu, nyek gitu. So, semua ya, ini semua nginjek kayak belenyak gitu loh, kayak belenyak gitu. So I need everyone to roll
Neraka mati.
dexterity saving throw with advantage karena kalian jalan hati-hati.
Plus
With
tambah
advantage.
Plus 4.
yang dekat gue dapat
Plus berapa?
aura 3.
Plus 3.
Yes.
All of us,
Ya,
man.
so
All of us.
saat kalian semua, saat kalian nginjek tuh kalian lihat kayak ini bau busuk,
Oh,
terus yang kayak cairan itu kayak darah, terus robekan-robekan daging,
Oh, gue belum
Oh
kelas
my
3.
god.
Tunggu
Pokoknya
tambah.
menjijikan
God,
banget
no.
ya.
Oh,
20.
Oh no.
oh no, Ardor.
Ardor,
Ardor.
Ardor,
Advantage?
Ador advantage.
Ardor.
Oke.
Ya,
Oke,
karena
Rowan,
kalian
Rowan.
jalan hati-hati, advantage.
Ya, Amir.
Oke.
Ya.
Better.
Yay.
Better.
Oke. So apa yang kalian
Jeez.
injek kata Lulu?
Jeez,
That's-
indeed.
That is a demon eater. Jadi
Oke.
demon eater.
Uh,
Disgusting.
It is the remains of demons if they die here in Avernus. Yeah. It's very nasty. If you step on it, if you touch it, there's a very nasty effect. Kata si Lulu.
I mean, the smell is already nasty. I don't want to know what will happen if you touch it. No.
Oh yes.
I touch it.
Why?
Serius. Okay. Generous, you wanna touch it?
No.
No? Okay. Okay.
Touch it, go.
That's fine. That's fine.
Dare you? No.
Oke, so harusnya ada, let's see, harusnya ada handoutnya nih Fort Knucklebone.
Fort Knucklebone.
Ada nggak ya? Kayaknya gue bisa kasih lihat ini deh ke kalian. Ini ada GM note-nya, tapi harusnya GM note-nya nggak kelihatan, coba ya. Oh ya, aman.
Knucklebone. Ah.
Okay.
Ya, jadi yang tengah
Yeah,
itu
looks like a knuckle.
kayak knuckle gitu.
It's really cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
Terus
Oh, sure,
pagernya
begitu.
itu kayak ya
Surrounded
junk
by
pile of
garbage.
junk gitu lah.
Oh, Shangangs. Okay.
Ya. So, oke. Kalian sudah mendekat dan akhirnya sampai dengan aman ya. A fortified compound sits atop a low plateau that rises out of a crater-pocked landscape. At the center of the compound is a hill of rust-colored stone that resembles a hand clawing out of the ground. With gaps between the fingers, a jagged wall made of rock, bones, and metal debris surrounds this hand-shaped hill. Other highlights visible from this distance include a gatehouse, atop which stands a half-dozen small figures on watch. Jadi kalian lihat di atasnya, kan di tengahnya tuh ada kayak watchtower gitu ya, itu gate-nya. Dan sampailah kalian ke gate of Fort Knucklebone. Oke. Dan kalian lihat di atas watchtower-nya ada makhluk-makhluk kecil dengan apa? Headwear gitu, warna merah. Mereka pegang kayak golok gitu, jaga-jaga di atas. Terus dia pas ngelihat kalian mendekat, stop right there.
Okay.
We stop.
Is it
We're
is
stopping.
it an
Yeah.
like an imp?
Roll perception, everyone.
Okay.
Perception. I would like to see like
Oh,
how
Oh no,
Wait.
just 3.
yeah how
Or you just
many
stand.
are
It's
there?
14.
Kita masih dapat advantage nggak?
14.
Karena being careful. Do we
No.
still get advantage, Mas? Okay,
No.
so 10.
Yep. So
14.
14. Let's see.
I got 15.
Okay. So Fornin sama Ardor, lo bisa ngelihat sih. Fornin sama Ardor boleh roll nature check barangkali.
Nature check.
Ya.
Nature check.
17.
Nah,
Ya, 21.
Oke. Ya, Ardor sama Fornin, ini kayaknya lo belum pernah lihat makhluk ini. So ukurannya sih kayak gnome. Cuman mereka bukan gnome karena tunggu, gue punya handoutnya nggak ya? Kelihatan sih harusnya ya.
Lumayan tinggi.
Oh, I have some
Not
guess,
no.
but yeah, as a player, I have some guess, but
Ya.
Ada handout?
I think so. Ya. I think so. Sebentar. Oh ya, bentuknya kayak begini.
is it called a red cap? I think.
Yep.
Oh, Madcap. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Blade in his boot.
That's you don't want to get kicked by that.
Oh my god, that's
Yep.
like a velociraptor.
Ya, terus dia
Bad talents.
ngangkat goloknya. Stop right there.
Sepatu sunat.
Anjir.
Where do you think you're going?
We are here.
I will.
Sports,
Yeah,
not a
I
ball.
will. I will answer in Infernal, I guess. We're looking for
Clank and clonk.
Clank
Chaka,
and Clonk.
Chaka and
Chaka,
Clonk.
Chaka and
Chaka and
Clonk.
Clonk.
Clank and
Chaka and Clonk.
Chaco and
Chaka
Clonk. The
Chaka
mechanics.
and Clunk. What's the password?
Lulu, what's the password?
Password.
I don't know.
Is the password password?
There's a.
Password.
Password.
Is it like their birth date or something?
What
Give me multiple-
is the
Give us multiple
password?
choices.
The password is 10 gold.
I don't think I don't think it works.
I don't know. I was just trying.
Wait, we have this. We have a soul coin, right? Maybe.
What's the
Okay.
password? Take a guess.
A soul coin?
Lima
No.
River Styx.
No, wrong,
Zerial?
wrong.
Knuckle
Knucklebones?
Demons are assholes.
knuckle sandwich.
Bones?
No, Terus
Devil
dia-
is awesome.
no. You are all wrong.
Everything is awesome.
No. Terus dia bilang, we don't have a password.
What's the password?
Oh,
Oh my god, that's a trick question.
very very.
Ew, okay.
Yeah, yes, we are just.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
not
we
good,
know that. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
that
Got 'em,
password.
yes.
That's right and wrong.
Got
We
him.
don't have
Yeah.
a password. It's a password.
Got 'em.
And why are you looking for Chaka and Clunk?
We are.
What are we looking for?
You know, we are we're
Business with
kind
them.
of like
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we have business with
we're
them,
walking
yeah.
around we're walking around all the time, and we probably want to ask them if they can build us a vehicle.
What? That's nonsense.
What do you mean
Oh.
nonsense? We heard that they're like the expert of like infernal
Mechanics.
Yeah,
vehicle
I guess it's a-
mechanics.
Yeah.
Yeah, besides
We-
we are our friends is know them. We just it's a friendly visit.
Yeah.
It's a friendly visit.
Hmm,
It's been a while.
do you have something
The password.
for me?
Again. Something.
Who are
for
you?
Something
Mhm.
for you.
What's your name?
He probably just a guard, Kara.
I'm just making
No
conversation,
questions.
Ardor.
No
What?
questions. No questions. You want in or not?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What do you want?
Mr. No
Guy.
question. What do you want?
Yeah.
Take a guess. Take a guess.
Gold?
Oh my god.
No.
No, he doesn't want anything.
like the
Want
password.
anything.
He doesn't want anything, right?
There is nothing that you want.
Yeah, you don't want anything.
Oh.
Is that the answer?
Oh. Yeah, you're right. Open the door. So, pintunya terbuka.
What is this?
Okay, so the area enclosed by the rampart is littered with trash and mechanical parts, some put together in a way that resembles a vehicle. Ramshackle structures built from the same junk as the outer wall provide shelter. Jadi lo lihat ada vehicle gitu dari junk, terus ada juga gubuk-gubuk yang dibuat dari junk yang sama. Terus a platoon of small fey creatures mills about. Ya, orang-orang ini ya, si Madcap. All looking like feral gnomes. Several of them sport tall red caps, some of which drip with vile ichor. Jadi dari topi-topi mereka tuh netes-netes cairan warna merah gitu, kayak darah gitu. Jadi lo bisa lihat warna, kan mereka pakai baju sama topi warna merah. Itu merahnya tuh dari tetesan-tetesan cairan itu ya. Dan lo melihat sepasang Kenku, a pair of Kenku,
Ah.
examine one of the strange vehicles, chattering to each other in high-pitched squawks. "Quack, quack!" These Kenku carry an assortment of strange tools. When they see you, they turn and stare in wonder. Mereka ngeliatin lo kayak, tau kan lo kalau burung gagak kepalanya suka gini-gini kayak,
Iya.
kan? Ya dia ngeliatin lo gitu. Terus saat kalian masuk, kan kalian bareng-bareng si Lulu kan? Si dua makhluk burung ini langsung kayak ngelihat Lulu, langsung matanya langsung lebar gitu.
Oh.
Terus si salah satu dari manusia burungnya, "Ah!" Dia ngomong gitu, terus dia nunjuk ke arah si Lulu. "What a deal! Patience is a virtue. Can't keep the boss waiting." Terus dia langsung lari ke dalam salah satu structure yang terbuat
A
dari
deal.
junk.
What a deal.
What a deal.
Patient.
Can keep the patience person.
Patient is
Patient is a virtue.
Ya.
You can
Dia tadi ngomong gini.
keep the
Can
boss
keep the
waiting.
boss
Keep the
waiting.
boss
A
waiting.
virtue
What?
can
What are you
keep.
getting us in?
That's probably what Lulu said last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Terus tidak lama kemudian datanglah dua makhluk lagi.
Oh boy.
Makhluknya kayak begini bentuknya. I will show you the handout. So dua makhluk ini keluar.
Oh
Okay.
wow.
Oh God. What is in his mouth?
Yeah,
What
that's
is that? Oh my.
Ya. Jadi yang satu bentuknya kayak hag gitu. Dari rambutnya lo bisa lihat di rambutnya tuh ada makhluk hidup gitu yang muncul ngelihat masuk lagi ke rambutnya kayak gitu.
oh god.
Dan lo juga bisa merhatiin matanya si hag
What?
ini. Matanya tuh geraknya independen gitu. Kadang satu ke kanan, satu ke
Oh
kiri,
God.
satu ke
It's like
bawah.
Eye Moody.
Kayak
Iya,
gitu.
Eye Moody.
Udah gitu yang gede, tinggi, besar, jalannya kayak giant gitu yang duh, duh. Terus sesekali mengeluarkan suara rrrr, duh, duh gitu. Tapi lucunya mereka menyambut kalian gitu. Dia ngomong gini. Sorry. Jadi moments later, he returns, leading a tall creature wearing a long, tattered shift covered in mud, blood, mold, and worse. The hag's eyes seem to move independently of each other as she approaches. Her straggly brown hair hanging in front of them. Resting on each shoulder are red-eyed ravens that scrutinize your group. Jadi ada raven berdiri di bahunya ya. Behind her, a hulking creature built of disparate fiendish parts trudges, moaning and hopping as it walks. Then both the hag's eyes focus keenly on your group and on Lulu. Terus si hagnya ngomong gini, "My goodness, where did you find such treasure?"
Treasures.
What treasure?
What treasure?
Come. Dia minta kalian mendekat.
Okay.
Who?
I carefully
Okay.
carefully approached them.
Terus dia dia bilang, "Who are you and how did you find Lulu?"
Ah, you know Lulu?
You know her?
Yes, of course I do. But please tell me
Lulu.
who you are.
She's a friend of ours.
My name is Julius Blakefang.
We're from El Turel.
Yeah, we're from El Turel.
Ah, Elturel. And you're here. This must be something very important. Lulu, I think you can help me here. I believe maybe there's something in your memory that I want. Huh?
Oh boy.
My
Uh-oh.
memory? Yes.
What?
I can help you recover your memory, Lulu.
Wait, you know she doesn't she lost her memory?
Ya.
Wait, wait, wait. How did you meet Lulu?
Yeah.
Yes. How do you
Terus
know her?
si Chaka and Clunk cuma ngeliatin kalian sambil ketawa. Yeah, of course we know Lulu. So yeah, basically si Chaka and Clunk terus cerita. We rescued Lulu and we brought her here. And Mad Maggie here, she is very apa namanya, terpesona atau mendalami kisah jatuhnya seorang angel menjadi archdevil. Jadi
Okay.
buat si orang ini, oh ya, dia memperkenalkan dirinya. My name is Mad Maggie. You can call me Mad Maggie. And this is
Oke.
And this is Mickey. Dia nunjukin yang gede. Namanya Mickey katanya. This is Mickey.
Certainly not a mouse.
What?
No, no. There's
Who?
a story back.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Never mind.
Is it a children's story,
Oh yeah,
Jirras,
there's a
that you read
children's story. There's a children's story.
on
What,
Baldur's
rat?
Gate? Yeah,
Mouse?
about a mouse.
Welcome to Fort Knucklebone. Me and my troop here, we work on war machines. This is our workshop. We repair, we build the war machines here, and I am studying. I am very interested in all the artifacts and all the stories about Zeriel falling down from her angelic form into an archdevil. I want to know everything about it. That's why, Lulu, you have something very precious to me, and if you allow it, I can help you recover your memory.
On what cause?
Yeah, if you are of course welcome here, but okay. Jadi gini. Di dalam Fort Knucklebone ada semacam sistem yang membuat kalian hubungannya baik apa enggak sama Mad Maggie.
Ah.
So all of you start at 5 points. Dan
So it
the-
can go up or reduce down. gitu.
Yes, exactly. So the way you interact with Mad Maggie will determine whether you go up or down the scale.
Oh, it's like a scales, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It depends, of course. If you
Like
are being
party.
nice while you stay here, maybe I can help you.
Okay.
Of course, it would be nice.
That
Yeah.
sounds fair.
Yeah.
Sounds fair.
Where
Sounds
where
fair.
you
Yeah,
know,
I'm
we-
also interested in the worm machines. Maybe we can work together.
Right one.
Maybe.
Just say it.
If you can help me, of course I can help you. But for now, there is a lot of preparations before I can have the ritual to help Lulu gain back her memory. In the meantime, why don't you settle down here and make yourself at home?
Us-
Can we help you with
Right now.
anything to restore Lulu memory?
Yeah.
Maybe we can help
Oh,
with that.
yes, definitely. I cannot do this alone. I need all of you.
When she said
Of
that,
course,
she looks
we'll
like
help.
she's not hostile with us right now, right?
Roll
Yeah.
insight.
Yeah, I
Uh,
want to check.
Yeah, Verity, Kara, roll insight check.
14.
Oh
Mad
no.
Maggie.
We're rolling.
Verity,
so tonight.
ya,
Yeah.
Verity tuh ngerasain si Hag ini, walaupun bentuknya tuh nyeremin dan dia Hag, cuman lo ngerasa aura a warm old lady gitu loh.
Ooh.
That's
Oh,
the
Yeah.
worst,
No.
actually.
That's the worst, yeah.
Gonna betray you in a second.
Ya.
Okay.
Going to eat us
Iya.
like Hansel and Gretel.
Ya, tapi ya gitu senyumnya tuh
Senyum keibuan.
senyumnya tuh
Senyum
cruel
keibuan.
gitu loh. Ya.
Sudah sewindu.
She will betray us.
Ya.
Or will be there, we don't know.
So, maybe Clunk and Chaka, you can show our guests here where they can stay.
So,
Guys, we have
Maggie, are you
a
like
base of...
a native, if you can call that, or are you
Yeah, are
traveler?
you from this land or are
Are
you...
you from this land?
No, I am not from Avernus, but I've decided to stay here and work here because
Whoa.
I have a lust for misery and corruption of the
Okay.
Ah.
yes of the Zerial's fall from grace.
This
Ah,
grandma is unhinged.
so you want to know the whole
Mhm.
story.
Yes, such a drama, such a fascinating.
Well, okay. I understand the drama part.
So yes,
Yeah,
it's
It makes a very good story. Very dramatic. 10 out of 10.
yes. It's not a coincidence that you and Lulu are here. I know it. It must be something more. So,
Suppose it's destiny.
yes. So what's the decision? Will you stay here a while to prepare for the ritual?
Yeah, I
Well,
guess we
since
don't have any other choice right
Remember,
now.
we are new to this place, so we gotta start somewhere, right?
Mhm.
So what do you require for the ritual?
Many things,
what do you
many
require?
things, but we will
Oh,
take
shit.
it step by step. Okay?
Uh-huh.
So, in the meanwhile, please, Chaka and Clunk, show our guests around and finally show them to their quarters. Ah, yes, Maggie. Ah, okay. So you yes, Avernus HQ
Yeah.
indeed. So
Avernus HQ.
kalian masih mau nanya sesuatu lagi sama Maggie sebelum dia tinggal?
So how udah berapa lama like you're here?
Oh, I don't remember how long, but it's been so long, so long. So
Before
let's just
Zariel's fall?
after Zeriel's fall, because my motivation to be here is Zeriel. Actually, she she gave me some kind of authority to handle the vehicles here in Avernus. So the warlords, dia nyebut warlords. There are several warlords here. They do business here in Avernus. They look for the soul coin, and they look for other means to provide the devils and the demons their craft, their weapons, and their armors. And let's just say I'm the neutral one here.
You're
Neutral
selling
is-
to both demon and devils?
No, but I help the warlords fix their vehicles.
Ah.
I don't do business with demons and devils, but Zeriel gave me authority. So Zeriel is, let's just say, kind of my boss.
Wait, so
I see.
you are under her service? Is that correct?
You can say pretty much like that because if I'm not approved by Zeriel, then I wouldn't be here.
So
So-
any business here needs to be approved by Zeriel? Is
Mm.
she like really important in this part?
Zeriel? Are you kidding me? She is the archdevil. She is the ruler of Avernus.
Ah.
Well, it used to be Bel, not Zeriel, but now Bel is apa lengser because of her.
Yeah, we heard the story.
That's true. I forgot.
So you know where she resides?
Zeria, unfortunately, I do, but all I can say to you that whatever it is that I tell you will not help you get near that thing or that place where Zerial resides.
I guess. Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yes, I mean, the angel's descent into Avernus, her betrayal at the hands of the Hell Riders, and her submission to Asmodeus.
Loki keinget what I dream. Okay.
Don't be like that.
I am obsessed with Zerial's cataclysmic saga, and I scour the wasteland of Avernus for more relics and artifacts.
Yes.
Ya Fenrir Zariel ternyata oke.
That's very interesting. But
I can respect that.
Oke.
the thrill,
Wanting something
of the,
from
you know,
her idol, ya.
the drama.
From idol.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But what about the machine though? Does it really fueled by souls?
You mean the machines? Yes. You need.
Is there,
Terus dia
is there one
ngeluarin,
present right now?
terus dia ngeluarin dari tasnya. This bentuknya sama seperti yang kalian punya juga. Tapi
Oh,
di,
the soul coin.
yes, tapi
Oh.
di tasnya ada beberapa.
Ooh.
You want to see the machines?
Well, Bornen
Yes.
would like.
Yes. Yes.
Bornen
please,
would
that's
very
why-
like. Yeah.
Yeah,
But-
Fire one.
that's why I'm here.
While you're here, maybe you can help Chaka and Clunk. And there is actually one more person that came here before you, and now she's helping Chaka and Clunk in the workshop.
Oh, interesting.
Maybe you can also help. What do you think, Chaka? What? Yes, Maggie. We can always use one more people. What?
Yeah, I can help.
So ya, jadi basically dia minta kalian stay di Fort Knucklebone. Selama kalian stay, please be good and please be helpful, kata si
Please be good,
Maggie. And it-
That's weird.
okay.
Coming from a hack.
Terus si Maggie bilang, while you're here, I can supply you with food and water as well. Although, as you must know already, food and water here in Avernus will not taste good, unfortunately. But
Yeah.
it will do the
Yeah.
job.
Yeah. That,
What do you guys
maybe.
eat around here? What's the staple?
We have fruits, but they are dry and they are black. And we have Sturgis meat.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're just me.
Yes.
What?
Okay. Sturge.
Oh, Surge. Ah.
Yes.
You can eat that?
Of course. Terus dia kayak ngeluarin dari mulutnya gitu.
Okay.
Gitu.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Is
Yes.
that your dinners or your lunch, man?
Yes, this is my dinner. Terus dia masukin lagi.
Oh, that's. That's
Oh boy. Oke.
Yeah. That's
Oke.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, maybe we should go.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe we should rest up.
Yeah.
We just glide down 500.
I will just have some stale bread. I guess.
Oke. Oke. So, yes, selama kalian di sini kalian nggak perlu nge-scratch rations karena sudah di-provide sama si Maggie. So, Maggie
okay.
dan Mickey meninggalkan kalian dan si Chaka dan Clunk membawa kalian untuk kemana dulu nih? Di situ ada tempat kalian istirahat, ada workshop, ada mungkin tempat madcap. Kalian mau ke tempat istirahat dulu kah atau ke workshop kah?
I guess let's go to workshop. Yeah.
Oh,
Let's go to workshop, huh?
Check
You wanna go to the workshop?
Workshop.
Wanna see the machine?
Right.
Let's see our ride.
Omnisia.
So the machines.
And let's see this one other person who she said
Yeah,
is
there's
Yeah,
other
and this
persons,
other
right?
person.
Maybe it's your mother, Clara.
What? No. Why would she be here?
I don't know.
So kalian dibawa sama Chaka and Clank ke dalam salah satu goa di batu besar yang bentuknya kayak tangan itu. Dan kalian masuk, itu bentuknya kayak hangar ya, cuman hangarnya tuh banyak junk, piles and piles of junk, dan dindingnya tuh batu-batu yang kasar gitu, ada apa sih, stalagmite, stalactite apa sih, ya pokoknya goa lah ya, goa ya.
Yeah, those
Yeah,
two
yeah.
stuff.
Those two stuff.
Dan nah ini gua ada sedikit, gue nggak tahu ini cukup menggambarkan ke kalian apa enggak.
Oh boy.
Ya, cuman
Oh boy.
ya ini
Oh, so
ini
cool.
ini tokennya bukan resmi dari Wizards of the Coast ya, tapi kurang lebih kayak gini yang kalian lihat di dalam
Still
Man,
awesome.
I want
workshopnya.
more.
Oh my god!
Witness me!
Witness me!
Ya. Dan ya. Ya. So selain yang 4 ini, di sekeliling juga ada yang gede banget. Ada yang lebih gede dari ini, ada yang lebih gede dari ini, tapi bentuknya tuh yang ini bannya nggak ada, terus yang motornya ada mesin yang nggak ada. Jadi ini tuh mesin-mesin yang belum jadi, kayak kondisinya mesti dikerjain dulu gitu, mesti dikerjain dulu.
We need to pimp it
That's
first.
real cool though. That's
Yeah.
real cool.
Yeah, that's real
So,
cool.
dan di sini saat kalian masuk, kalian lihat ada satu sosok yang lagi bener-benerin gitu. Dan apa namanya? Saat kalian masuk, sosok ini berdiri dan nengok ke kalian, dan dia langsung nengok ke Kara.
Oh, shit.
Ya. Terus dia
That's
langsung-
okay.
No.
dia langsung, Kara, is that you? So this is so tell us about your half ogre ya. Itu half orc apa?
Half orc.
Half orc ya. Please
Oh,
tell us about her.
Oh
Kara.
boy.
Physical feature-nya dan
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! So she's a half orc woman. Dia kayak typical rogue gitu. So she's not like buff or anything. More kind of like strong but like slim. And she has kind of like this. Last I met her, she has kind of this kayak yang apa sih namanya, yang lo tau kan yang rambutnya panjang sebelah terus ininya kayak dicukur
Oh, yeah.
gitu.
Yeah.
What is it called?
Yeah.
Something, yeah.
And then
Undercut.
yeah,
Undercut.
that thing. And then she has like a lot of like earrings on one side, kind of. That's it. And she's last I met her, yeah, pokoknya dia kayak rogue, tapi tipe-tipe rogue yang lebih kayak not like me, but more kind of like assassin
oke.
type.
Hubungan lo sama orang ini gimana? Hubungan Kara gimana?
We're very close.
Okay.
She basically taught me. So dia kayak like she came to the ship when I was little, maybe like 5 or like 8. And then she kind of like taught me. We have this kind of like competitive relationship, trying to, but we're very close.
Oke. So begitu dia, Kara, is that you? Dia langsung lari ke lo dan langsung meluk lo. I guess that's the appropriate response ya kan?
Vola, why are you here?
Kara, I can't believe I meet you here. It's what? How did you get here?
How did you get here?
Oke. So dia cerita, I was in Elturel. Terus dia nyebut nama orang tua lo. Dia bilang, they asked me to get some supplies, and then the next thing I can remember, the whole city just, there's a huge earthquake, and the city somehow feels like been warped like that, and everything is black. I don't remember anything, and the next thing I know, I was in Avernus, and then the fall. I felt a really painful fall, and then I just don't remember anything else. And then the next thing I knew, I was here.
The others, you don't know where they are? My parents?
I'm sorry, Kara. They maybe they are still in Elturel, but I don't know.
Okay. Well, I take yang itu loh, yang kalung yang dikasih anak kecil itu. And I was like, I found this in Baldur's Gate of all places. It's yours.
Terus dia kayak ngelihat kalung itu. Kara, thank you. Terus langsung make lagi dan ngeliatin gitu. So, you met Chaka and Clank, kata si Vola.
Oh, yeah. These are my friends, I guess.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm
This is
Vola.
my
Hi,
Yes.
I'm Fornin.
I'm
I'm
very
Arthur.
You are the
Very
other
good.
technician.
Oh.
well. I'm
Oh.
Miss Vola. Vola is her name. Vola.
Bola.
Miss Vola. When you fell, are you alone? Were you alone, or were there anybody else?
Well, of course, around me there were a lot of people, but they're all falling together, and the ground was torn apart.
Oh,
There was
jeez.
a huge hole, and we just sucked in.
Oh,
Was
jeez.
that when you were already in
Survive
Avernus,
a
or
500 feet
when you were
fall.
in Elturel?
In Elturel, and I think I remember trying to climb down, but I think I fell or something. Terus kata si Chaka, we rescue you. Don't you remember that? That's why you're still alive, kata si Chaka. All right. Yeah, my memory is a bit hazy
That
now.
seems to be a theme.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad to see you. We're here to, we're looking for people, I suppose,
Okay.
from people in Elturel. That
So you are here to rescue Elturel. Is that it?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
I look at
yeah.
the kangaroo.
kind of.
Yes.
Yes, you can say that.
I mean, we're trying to find a solution to problems.
Yeah.
We'll see how that goes.
Well, we are helping our friends here too, Lulu.
Yeah, I mean, we are here. You would like to go home, I guess.
Yes, Kara, your parents, maybe they are still alive in Elturel, so hopefully we can bring back Elturel to the surface, and maybe we can see your parents again.
I mean, Elturel was pretty bad. Maybe they're dead. I don't know.
Let's just hope for the best.
I mean,
Kara being nihilist again.
yeah.
You hope for the best. I prepare for the worst. I think that works.
So,
Well, I guess it pays off. I mean, she expects everyone to die. She
Okay.
found her alive.
Yeah.
So it's a thing.
That's
Maybe
true.
it's just
So
a
that
reverse
so that
psychology thing.
so
I think
does it mean if when Elturel fell here, some people get knocked down to Avernus instead
Oh,
instead
shit.
in Elturel?
yes, there are some survivors, but if they're caught by the devils they just immediately kill all the living people so they can collect their souls to become their army.
Oh, Chaka and Klong. Did you save anyone else?
No, only Vola here.
Vola.
Yes, Vola has
So,
been very helpful with us here. Right, Vola? Yes. I have some knowledge of this beautiful vehicle, kata si Vola.
How?
Oh yeah. So, what do you know about these bad boys? And I
And
slapped
how
like
and
one
how
of
do you
them.
know you know
Trying to
Yeah.
trying to look cool in
yeah
front
and
of this
This
how do
bad boy.
you know the knowledge of it?
Like
Where
now
do you
Verity cuma diem doang soalnya pikir apa jangan Alam Rose jatuh terus dia mati. Oh my god. She's in shock.
Verity,
Wah.
are you alright?
What?
Are you alright, Verity? You look distressed
Well, I mean, well, if she
She's
fell
probably
down,
thinking about, you
your
know,
mentor,
both
right?
dying.
Yeah, don't give up hope, Verity.
Maybe they see he's in the
Yeah, he's
in the
live, he's
natural.
live,
Yeah,
he's
maybe
live,
he's in
Yeah, yeah,
natural.
yeah.
Maybe he's in natural. Yeah.
Yeah, you're not in denial, Verity.
Yeah, Alan Ross doesn't. You know,
But
he's
you know, Verity, I had a very low expectation. Now I feel happy.
Ravengard
So
will
maybe you should have.
wind him. Duke Ravengard will
Yeah.
wind him. Don't worry, Verity.
He's probably he's probably in the tavern when Elturel falls. So
Ooh.
probably he's safe. Yeah, he's safe.
I have a
Hey,
very
wow.
high expectation, and I am happy.
Well, the
I
key
mean,
to success is to have no expectation.
yeah, I mean, see, Infernal Machine, cool, yay!
Yeah.
Verity, you don't
Anyway.
need to you don't need to cover it up. We know you are very worried about your
Vola,
mentors.
how did you know anything about this machine?
Well, Chaka and Clunk here taught me
Oh,
how to
okay.
fix stuff. Terus dia ngasih lihat kayak ada buku manualnya gitu. Bentuknya
Oh,
ya
Know about that.
bentuknya ada yang
Manual
kayak
book.
gini. Ini yang motor ya.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Ya.
Oh my god, so cool.
Terus ini
my God, we are
kayaknya
literally
yang
Hell Rider.
ukurannya
Hell Rider.
ya kurang lebih kayak
Multi-class
gini.
Cavalier, don't care.
yeah, multi. Oh my lord.
Ya.
Oh man, I want one.
Ya. So
Yeah.
yes, and also look here, dia ngasih tunjuk ke sini. Ada kayak rak gitu. Ada kayak rak dan di raknya ada beberapa armor yang very
Ooh.
edgy. Very edgy.
Am I right, boy?
Yes.
Oh, edgy armor.
I made this while I'm here with the materials that I found here. If you want, you can wear them. So basically ini cuman fashion doang, tidak ada stat
No
apa-apa.
problem.
But
Nggak apa-apa,
you
biar-
can
Bubble
choose,
tea
you can
Biar
choose
edgy, Mas.
which one you want for your token.
Oh, for our our
Yeah,
Our token
Yeah.
in hell.
yeah, your token
Oh, buat
one.
ininya Mas, kayak buat
I want this one.
kayak buat ini ya. Oh god, yeah, Verity already forget
Oh,
about
this
Alam
one,
Rose.
this one.
She forgot about Alam Rose for now.
Okay.
This-
So
Alam Rose.
This gold
Let's
and
take a
this
vote,
spiky one is cool.
ini gua
I
screenshot
like
dulu
this
deh.
one.
I
Biar
like
gua
this
bisa,
one.
bawa
One,
ke...
two.
More on my team.
Yeah.
Gold-ish.
Bentar, gue scream, gue.
Yes, please
Yang
screenshot.
paling pojok kiri bawah.
Ini juga keren sih. This is so cool.
Ya.
I want this one. So cool, but
Atas juga edgy.
But there's a
Bawah
blood
ada
on the floor.
wine-wine-nya gitu, keren.
Wine or blood though?
It's blood.
it's blood.
What
What do
one
you
is the
mean?
brown? Oh, the blood one, yeah.
It's blood, man.
Yeah, that's
Ya, yang
Jawab.
pojok kiri bawah aja.
Yang ini ada
Ya,
koinnya, gue ini deh. Gue ini deh, ada koinnya.
Terus kita lupa kita di neraka.
Okay,
Naka what?
For the party token kan, Mas?
Iya,
Buat token kan?
ya token. Ini gua kirim ke ini ya.
Token for the whole party.
Ya, jadi kalian pilih aja. Nanti gue yang bikin token kalian masuk ke dalam frame itu.
Oh, for this one. For each on buat
Okay.
individual ya.
Ya.
Paling bawah,
Yang ini.
lower left.
Ada juga lower left.
Oke, silakan.
Gue yang ini dia ada koinnya.
ditulis
More
aja.
on brand.
Ya. So
Lower brand because it's gold.
Because it's
so-
gold.
Ya.
Koin.
So
Koin.
here's some good news for you.
Kalau nggak ada emang gue main ini sih.
Di dalam Fort Knucklebone kalian itu kayak semacam aman ya, karena nggak ada ya tergantung sih kalian relationshipnya sama Matt Maggie gimana. Yang pasti di sini ada si Vola, dan Vola punya good relationship. Dan ya kalian bisa lihat ada Infernal War Machine sudah di depan mata sekarang. And you're actually in Avernus, and as a bonus, you level up to level 7.
Oh boy.
Okay, and level 7 in Avernus with Infernal War Machines. Congratulations.
Oh my god, can we just
Oh my
like
God, we've
stay
died
here?
next session,
Maybe
yeah.
we shouldn't leave.
Let's just stay here.
Yeah,
Okay.
Let's just stay here.
stay forever.
No.
Fuck L2L.
Fuck, oh, I have
Stay here.
evasion.
Okay.
Evasion, nice.
So
Yeah.
Ra, jangan lupa ditulis Ra, evasion Ra. It's always
Yeah,
on.
Don't forget evasion.
Yeah, it's always on.
Yeah. That's
Oh,
right.
God.
Okay.
Now I need to draw us in our new AG armor. This is really cool.
Yep.
Oh, I got invocation. Nice.
Aura of Conquest.
My God.
Everything.
What did I get?
Right,
Oh, which invocation though? Joe, what's invocation
For-
you?
46.
Hah?
Which invocation
Oh,
though?
Anyway, terus kalau after we see the workshop, I guess we can go to the what's the guards?
Madcap.
The madcap.
The
Madcap?
meta?
Mm-hmm.
We can talk to Maggie again and ask what kind of thing.
But she said like later, and we
Oh
like,
yeah.
Yeah.
she want the Chaka and Klong to show us around.
Yep.
Anyway,
Hmm.
Vola, let's talk later, okay?
Yes, of course.
You're staying here as well, right?
Yes, I think I like it here. They treat me well.
You do? Oh, okay. So you want to just
So-
stay here, or do you want to go back?
If I have a choice, then of course I want to go back to the surface. But for now, I don't, because it's just too dangerous out there.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
So,
So do you need any help here in the workshop? I'm
oh, we need plenty of help, Vernin.
Oh. Yeah, I can help.
Can I help as well? I want to help as well.
Of course. And each help that you do itu ada kreditnya buat social
Oh, nice.
social relationship with Mad Maggie, the boss.
Lift heavy things.
I
Yeah.
can
Help.
provide. I can provide lo-fi music in the background
Oh,
for you
nice.
to work.
Okay.
I have poured in earlier, and I think we did pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we make this glider and then Kara help gue ceritain semua banget ke Vola betapa coolnya.
You can provide us with some,
Of course.
work music,
Music background. I will call it lo-fi.
lo-fi music.
So
Inhale.
this is where
Inhale.
we end this week's session. So welcome to
Oh,
Avernus,
man.
welcome to Fort Knucklebone, and welcome to level 7. I'll see you again in the next
Yay.
session. Hopefully we'll explore Avernus and we will prevail.
Okay.
Okay, teman-teman. So thank you for playing.
Thank you.
Yes,
thank you.
nice.
Thank you,
And I'll
Mas.
see you again. Thank you for watching buat yang nonton, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you.